Hi, second graders. Today's lesson is lesson 8.6. The lesson objective: children partition rectangles into same-size squares. The vocabulary for today's lesson: row, meaning across, column, meaning up and down, and partition, meaning to divide into parts. Please take out your pencil and paper. Get ready to write the number. 4 hundreds, 10 tens, 2 ones. Write the number. This would equal 502. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if I'm going too quickly. Let's try the next one. 8 hundreds, 10 tens. Write the number. This would equal 900. Let's try the next one. Write the number. 10 tens, 7 hundreds, and 9 ones. Write the number. This would equal 809. 7 ones, 6 hundreds, and 10 tens. Write the number. This would equal 707. Great job. Let's try the next one. 12 tens, 5 hundreds, and 6 8 ones. Write the number. This would equal 628. Let's try the next one. 16 ones, 7 hundreds, and 10 tens. This would equal 816. Great job. For our math message, please take out a plain sheet of paper. We're going to fold our paper twice. First, fold your paper in two, folding from short edge to short edge. Then, fold your paper up. Open your paper. How many squares do you see? Is this what your paper looks like now? You partitioned your paper. For today's home links page, you'll be doing pages 179 and 181. Carefully cut out the small squares below. You'll use these squares for your home links page and for your math journal pages. Use the squares to completely cover rectangle A on the next page without any overlaps or gaps. You will not need them all. Because you're going to use them again, please don't glue or tape them yet. Next, draw lines on rectangle B to show where you put the squares on rectangle A. Answer the questions below the rectangles. Today's math journal pages are pages 202, 203, and 204. Number 1. Use centimeter cubes to completely cover rectangle A without gaps or overlaps. Then answer the questions. Most of you will not have a centimeter cube at home. If you don't, please estimate a centimeter and make centimeter cubes across rectangle A. Then answer these questions. How many rows of cubes are on rectangle A? How many cubes are there in each row on rectangle A? How many cubes did you use to cover rectangle A? Number 2, draw squares on rectangle B to show how you covered rectangle A with cubes. Number 3, take one square pattern block. You'll use the blocks or the squares that you had from your home links page. Use this square block to figure out how many square pattern blocks can completely cover rectangle C with no gaps or overlaps. Draw lines to show how the squares cover the rectangle. Answer the questions below. And finally, partitioning rectangles. Partition each rectangle into squares that are the same size as the square pattern block. You may use a pattern block to help you. Then answer the questions below. Math boxes in your math journal. Page 205. Number 1. Circle the letters next to all the pictures that show quadrilaterals. Number 2. 68 plus 34 equals blank. Use partial sums addition to solve. Write your ballpark estimate and then your answer. Number 3. Write each number in expanded form. Number 4. Draw a shape that has 4 sides. And number 5. Solve. Show your work on an open number line. Brooklyn has 25 yellow blocks and 42 green blocks. How many blocks does she have in all? Check your work from lesson 8.5. Great job today.